Wi-Fi po.
Okay, tutup hotel. Okay.
Thank you, Sheshe.
To hotel around 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah. That hotel is very old.
Very old, no?
Cheap.
Yeah, little...
Quite cheap.
Yeah, short only.
Wow. Why such a long time? Only stay 40 minutes.
We will come back.
Started last year.
Ano rin pala, left hand. Sa Dubai ba anak, left hand o right hand driving?
Ganito rin po.
Problem lang po.
Left hand, parang Pilipinas. So I can drive here,
My
left
own
hand.
car, so I don't think easy. I can drive.
Say hello. We're here in Taiwan with a very good chauffeur.
Yeah.
Very nice gentleman, although we are late, he will not charge. It's recorded now to be sent to our friends in the Philippines.
Train is there around Taiwan.
Lalagay ko sa
Harapan. Ang daming gamit
Yes. Buksan niyo po. Ayan po. Ayan po. Ay, aircon yata ito.
Ano malinis naman?
Ayan. Ito na yung hotel room.
Say hello.
Huwag na lang patayin yung aircon. Na room tour. Ay,
Centralized siya.
naka-centralize yata siya. So, huwag na lang patayin.
Inopen na lang.
Sige mo na. Para picture ako.
Yan. So, tayo doon tayo sa tabi, be. Yan. Sige, be. Nandun yung ilaw sa may, ano, sa bed. Sa may bed. Doon sa may bed. Sa may near phone. Quick room tour. So, ayan lang siya. Malinis naman siya. So, this is the bed. We have a small table. A small cabinet. And our own washroom. So, yan. It's clean naman. Yan. So, there. So, this is our hotel for 4 days in Taiwan. It's nice. So, we have TV, bed, a table, cabinet, and then washroom. Okay, kung gusto nyo mag-hi, sige po, pasok po kayo. Wait lang po. Ayan. Holy jeep, nagkakam. Dito po tayo, ma. Dito, ano ba? Diretso lang po tayo. Tatawid po tayo. Ayun pala, may timing pa ng oras magtawid.
Okay. At least number.
Ay. Ay. Atayin na lang po natin. Ay, panalo si kuya mo. Itinawid niya yun. Oo, go nga yung kanina. Kaso ang daming motor kasi. Oo, nakakaano tumawid. Parang Vietnam ba? Sabi nila.
Hello, hi. This is the nightlife in Taiwan. Peaceful city. Forward to the Saturday. Diba nagsabi?
So, yan. Ayan, oh, kita tayo lahat.
Hi.
Be, kaway. Ayan. So, lalakad kami papuntang Ximen Night Market. Oh, police station pala. So, lalakad kami papuntang Ximending Night Market.
1940s mga ito. It's an old town. Sabi ng driver kanina. Ay, yes. Parada dito sa
Dito pilihan mo.
kaya
Ayan. So, look. So, very busy. Kasi it's a Saturday. So, there are a lot of cars. Medyo traffic kanina on the way papuntang hotel. Galing airport kasi nga Saturday. So, is it. We're actually walking pa rin papunta sa night market. Gusto ko ikaw nakakita ng milk tea. Milk tea ng ate girl. Milk tea ng ate girl. Dami nagmay milk tea. And this is the Ximending Walking District / Night Market / Shopping District.
对，这样子很棒。
Yan, lakas baka Myeongdong, South Korea vibes. Although di pa ako nakapunta ng Myeongdong, pero it really looks like Myeongdong. Be, ay ikaw. Legit! Legit yung cam. Hello guys!
全面防护，健康逆转胜。
Dami gini.
只为农业卖。
Ma. Ma, hindi mo. Kita. Ape. We are in Ximending. Yan ang tao. Sige, kuha ka, Beth.
ito po season sa atin. Anong tawag dito? Tawag.
Video. Green tea, singputang. Masarap? Masarap? Sugar to nini, come sugar something. Boba milk tea. Oo. Abe, ano masasabi mo sa singputang milk tea? Sarap, diba? So, hindi siya ganun katamis. Actually, ang nagpasarap sa kanya lalo yung
What's number one?
model. Model yan. Nice. Anong oras na pero may pa rin tao. Super layo din niya. Oh! Be, ABC Mart. ABC Mart. For the shoes. Ma, video. Ay, sorry po, tita.
Kasi,
Tita. Video po.
yan, may magnet, may magnet, may magnet kayo.
Ito po. Keychain po ata yan. Titingin kami sa loob, guys. Guys, buy 5, get 1 free. Yan, mga iba't ibang klaseng parang bag tag. Bag tag. Or keychains. Wow. Ah, hindi. Ano nga po pala to? Parang tawag dito. Hindi siya... Opo, can opener po pala siya. Hindi pala siya... Look guys, this is so cute. Tingnan mo. Wala na. Oh, we built this loob. It's so cute. Ang cute. This is so cute. Tingnan mo si Sakuragi, Detective Conan, and favorite anime character ever. Rukawa. L-O-V-E, Rukawa. Hello, morning, Be. Good morning. Be. Morning. Sila mama. Ayun sila mama.
Hi, hello, good morning.
Lalakad kami para mag-breakfast. Yan, Sunday morning. Rain is falling. Char. Dito kami sa yung soy milk. Cheese omelette, be. Cheese omelette. Bacon omelette. Lahat po yan, bacon omelette, tapos flat bread, tapos kape. This is the bacon omelette. Guys, after breakfast, we're gonna walk to Shimen Station. Ayan sila mama ha, Tita, si Michael. May good morning ka sa camera. Ayan. So much mainit. Kasi nga, summer. So yan, we're walking to Shimen Station. May motor ba? So yan. Ma. Hi. Shek Memorial Hall. Wala bang English? Oh, there's a sukle. Is that sukle?
Please take your ticket and change.
Thank you. Ticket. Yan.
Dali, anak.
This is there.
Dali rin, ah.
So yan, nag-purchase kami ng single pass ticket. Ang cute! Photo booth? Cafe? KTV? Ang cute, 2 tao lang kasi dun. Teka, ha? Hindi, be, yun ang babaan. We need to go in. Oo. So, how does this work? Sensor. Oh, that was so cute. Tap nyo lang po. Yan. That was so cute. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to Chiang Kai-shek. So we need to go down there. Yan, sa Songshan Xindian Line. Stand on your right. Diba stand on right? Walk on left. Dito po tayo sa ano to. Ito, G10.
Ano?
Dito tayo bababa, G10.
Ano ba tayo? Sindian?
Shimen tayo.
Hindi, ayun pa tayo ng
Ay, hindi dapat pa Songshan, dapat pa Xindian.
ayun sa baba.
Doon pa sa isa.
Sabi mo,
Oo, bababa pa pala na isa. Yan, so we're gonna ride. Ay, ito na, huwag na, mamaya na lang tayo. Parang hindi mo kayo nagmamadala, ito na yun. Para mabibidyohan pa natin. Mamaya na po tayo para Ma. Okay. So, nakasakay na kami ng train. We're on the way to Chiang Kai-shek. Okay. Takbo ng Chiang Kai-shek. So, there. So, yan. Takbo kami ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, sumakay kami ng train from Shimen Station. Sumakay kami ng Green Line. Tapos mapuntang Chiang Kai-shek. So, bumaba kami ng G10 station. Green Line yun. So, ang advice sa amin nung sa Visit Tourism Center is to buy tickets na lang ng one way. Kaysa bumili nung one day. Mas makamura kami. Depend kasi dun sa naging itinerary namin. So, yun. Yan sila. Oops! Be, tingin kami dito. Seryoso, mag-video. Video to. So, yan. Yan, we made it to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, ayan, we're here. And see. Oops! Look at that. Ang ganda. Yeah, so we're here. Ayan. Apo, dun po. Gusto niyo po dito, akit po tayo para lang picture. Ay, wait lang. Sa picture na ito. Picture ko lang po to. Ayan, we're here. Sa parang, they said it's National Theater. So, there. That's the gate. It's really nice.
Hello! Very nice place. We are in front of the National Theater of Taiwan. We're proceeding to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Doon, may konti. Sige. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, kasama kasi namin sila mama. So, medyo mainit kasi. Medyo mataas. So, hindi na namin naakitin. Kasi may mga kasama kami mga senior. Pero yun siya. You can actually go up and then see yung changing of the guards. Ayan. Taipei 101.
Taipei 1.
So, yan. Ito kami pupunta later. Sa Taipei 101. So, medyo mainit po kasi. At summer. Yan. Yan. So, guys, that's how you buy tickets. So, pwede kayong pumili via destination or route. Tapos, choose nyo lang saan kayo pupunta. So, for us, we're going to Taipei 101. And then, the cost of ticket is 20. Hindi kaya?
Wala na tayong pang-bus mamaya. Diba, coins lang daw.
Ah, ito na lang. Kung gusto mo naman, huwag mo na gastusin niya para sure ba kasi mag-bus tayo. This is how you buy tickets. So, tap the screen. Tapos, single journey if you're gonna buy single journey. And then, piliin mo kung saan ka pupunta. So, like for us, we're coming from Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Pupunta kami ng Taipei 101. So, ayan. Sasabihin sa'yo kung magkano, ilan, and then you're gonna pay. Yan. Just arrived in Taipei 101 station, and now we're on our way to Taipei 101. This on our way to Taipei 101. Insert po ah. Paunahin mo na sila, be. Insert po, tita. Insert po. Kayo, be? Yan, dito. So, we're on our way to Taipei 101. Ooh. That's so nice. So, if you're going to City Hall, yun yung sa exit. If you're going to Taipei 101, exit 4. Madali lang hanapin yung mga exits nila kasi ano naman, clearly labeled. Clearly labeled. There. Diba? Kita.
Going to Taipei 101.
Be. Be. The video.
This is the way going to Taipei 101.
Okay, Taipei.
Excited kami makita ko ano yung nandun.
locker sila. So, pero technically, this is the only station na nakita ko ng locker though. So, if you're gonna go somewhere, at least may locker sila. Yan. We're now outside the Taipei 101 station. So, yon. So, this is the... Tas yan, Din Tai Fung. So, we need to look for the building muna before we go inside. So, ayan guys, we're going up for us to see the Taipei 101. So, it's up here. Yan. It's the district. Yan. And basically, yun. Hindi pala siya kita. Hindi pala kita. Akala ko ayun siya. So, struggle, but that's it. Yan. This is the area around Taipei 101. So, yan. Okay tayo. Yan. So, technically, medyo modern na siya. Modern ang itsura niya. Compared to the rest. So, again, that's Taipei 101 over there. Gamit na gamit ang Insta360 today. Ayan. Sariling sikap to take the photo. So, ayan guys. We're inside Taipei 101. Shopping mall. So, ayan. So, maraming mga branded na bagay na nandito. Watches and all. Ooh. Is that Jenny? Nakasale naman kasi guys. Pwede pag-mixin. Special salt and pepper. Ito honey, para gusto nila. Hindi mas lamanghang, saka garlic soy na lang. Ito po yata yung honey. Ito po yung medyo may kapasal. Medyo lang po nila. Hilayin na. We're on our way to Washan, Creative Park. So, lalabas na kami ng metro. Ayan, metro nila. If you wanna see. And guys, if you're going to Washan Creative Park, exit 1. Okay, exit 1. Insert nyo po token. Yan. And then here. Medyo mainit. Michael Kyle. going to Washington Creative Park. Pula-pula na. Ayan sila. Tita Lucy, si Mama, Michael. Yan nga yung Xiongshao, ano yun? Ayan. Xiongshao Elementary School. Guys. And we're on our way. So we're about to cross going to Washan Creative Park. Actually, namin tao dito pero parang malaming mga kabataan, malaming youth. Washa Creative Park. We wanna watch films. Parang may event pala. Kami mga nagka-camping. Yan yung mga bahay-bahay na yung maganda mag-picture dyan. Yan yung mga bahay-bahay. Bahay-bahay. Building-building. Bahay-bahay. Sa loob niya, ba? Parang cafe? Guys, we're here at Rauhe Street Night Market. excited kasi daming food. Food talaga ang pinunta dito. Yan. Yan o, legit. Daming food. Aside from food, ang dami rin dito. Ooh, sweet potato ball. At parang hindi naman siya ganun kabaho. Sabi nila mabaho kaya nga sticky tofu. Kept lang yun. Magkano niya binibenta? 66? Ha? Dalawa? Isa? Okay din ah. Oh, stinky tofu.
Street food of Taiwan. School.
Stinky tofu. Review. Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap.
Sarap, diba? Sarap ng tofu. Ito yung ano. Ay. Yes, wrap.
Sarap. Champion ng Taiwan street food.
Yung peanut wrap. Ano masasabi mo sa street food? Hindi tayo masyadong nakatikim ng marami. Dami na kasing tao. Pero ano masasabi mo?
Champion.
Masarap ang food nila dito eh.